How to use Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook Ads Manager is a powerful tool that lets you create, manage, and analyze advertising campaigns across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the audience network. To get started, you'll need a Facebook business page and a payment method linked to your account. Once that's set up, you can begin creating your first campaign by choosing an objective, like driving traffic, getting more engagement, or increasing conversions. From there, you'll define your target audience, selecting specific demographics, interests, behaviors, or even custom audiences. You will also choose your budget and schedule, deciding how much to spend and how long your ad will run. After setting up your ad, you will add visuals, write ad copy, and choose where it appears, like Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger. Once it's live, Ads Manager shows real-time performance metrics so you can track results and make adjustments as needed. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.